Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Srimati Narayanan, a graduate from Orenburg State Medical University, Russia, and a medical practitioner in Telangana State Council. So guys, today's video, I thought let me start my series of explaining each universities and let's get started guys. Thank you. The first university which I thought let me discuss about is Krasnoyarsk State Medical University, and especially why I wanted to talk about this university is this university was it was coinciding with my date of birth. This university was started in November 21st. 1942, and my date of birth is also November 21st, 1996. Only the year is changing. So, this university was started in 1942, and it is located in the city Krasnoyarsk, and approximately 10 to 12 lakh population is there, and also this university has many courses. They offer many courses, out of which one of the courses general medicine course in English medium. And what else we can talk about this university? The university has hospital facilities, and it has hostel facilities, and hostels also provide a good way of living to students, like washing machines, ovens, and kitchen, and good washrooms and rooms are being given. But they're obviously only government hostels. They aren't any private hostels or anything that is available. Next point we can talk about is the university has. Talking about the other courses which the university offers, I have mentioned now, but it is not really required for us because those courses are usually in Russian. But for us, general medicine course in English was started in the year 2019, which means one of the big cons of this university is there is no FMG pass percentage because so far no batches graduated. I know there will be many students who will be thinking like they want to get into a university which is like literally having like good infrastructure and good FMG pass percentage, good population and all. This has a normal population, and infrastructure wise, I have checked, and I'm also adding few clips from which I have got from the official university. Infrastructure is good, and it has approximately 11 hospitals and many polyclinics under them. It has various departments, dedicated departments. I have also mentioned those things here, like what are the departments available. Apart from this, if you want to know, so far approximately 9,000 graduates graduated, including the Russians and the foreign medical graduates. More than 9,000 people graduated from this university. So, this university is as old as other universities in India as well. Next thing is there are approximately 1,200 medical professional staffs working in order to teach each and every student in this university. And inside the university, there are approximately 10 scientific units or 10 scientific departments which are actively participating in any research work or anything. So this university's fees is approximately 20 lakhs for 6 years.
Krasnoyarsk State Medical University, regarding this fee structure, if you see, the overall expenditure per year from first to sixth year will be 3,36,100 rubles. Tuition fees in this sums up to 3,05,000 rubles, and hostel fees is 12,000 rubles per year, and 1,600 rubles for visa extension every year, and 1,500 rubles for biometry and medical checkup, which is also done every year. So overall the fee structure is 3,36,100 rubles,
excluding your expenditures like flight tickets or food, only including your every year fees and the hostel fees and medical insurance, etc. and all, it will be covering within 20 lakhs itself. The main disadvantage of this university, according to me, is like it is in a place, like I spoke with few students, they said like the university is very cool. That is cool. That is one of the major drawback. And there is no any Indian mess there, I think so. So that is another drawback. And there's no FMG pass percentage so far. So that is also one of the drawback, I think. But for people who want universities under 20 lakhs, so far whichever university under 20 lakhs are there, those all university doesn't have any batches graduated so far. So I think with that thing, this university is a good option. Students can choose this university because so far, anyways in 2025, one batch will be graduating, which means they are having five batches so far. That is so good. You'll be the sixth batch if you're going to join this university. That's fine. Me, myself, I joined in a university as a second batch and I cleared my FMG. So I don't think that FMG pass percentage really plays a role in selecting universities. This is my opinion, right? If you all know any other thing, and one more to add on, there are few hospitals and hostels within the campus itself. And also there are tunnels that connect you with from one place to another in the city, which makes your transportation very easy. And you can also by this withstand the cold climate. You can fight the cold climate by using this tunnels to go to the various hospitals. Most of the hospital from first year to fourth year or third year, you'll be able to go through these tunnels itself. So that is one good advantage. Or else you can use bus and other facilities also. For students, there will be different discounts and tariffs based on that. So I think guys, for anyone who has a budget issue, who want to do complete their MBBS education within the 25 lakhs, where 19 to 20 lakh is the fees and 5 to 6 lakh you can add for your expenditure every year. I think this is a good university. You can go join there. Okay.
The next thing I want to tell to you guys is flight route to Krasnoyarsk. I will tell you guys to go through Moscow, because Delhi to Moscow, Moscow to Krasnoyarsk, it is easy, and Aeroflot operates here. So why Aeroflot? Because it allows more weight of up to 55 kgs you can carry, including your hand luggage of 10 kg. So I would prefer you guys to go through Aeroflot. Approximately one way 30 to 35,000 or 45,000 it will cost, but first time it will be costly. From second time onwards you can do up and down for a cheaper rate, as you will be doing it earlier. So it's better to go through Delhi.
If you have any further doubts or query regarding this university, please feel free to contact me, guys. I'll also put a brief explanation of the university's fee structure. Please go through it. If you have any doubts, please feel free to text me in my WhatsApp. Fill my Google Forms if you want to contact me directly, or follow to my Instagram page and log to me through there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. In next video, I'll come up with another university, that is Ural State Medical University. And stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.